Oh.
Mic test. 2, 3. Recording na?
Oh. Hey, what's up?
Okay.
Welcome.
So, ano ba? Bala na, simulan lang tayo basta we're just here in the residence of Rain,
Sa kanila.
uh,
Oo.
Fiesta ng Immaculate,
Sa mataas na
basta
kahoy.
Immaculate.
Mataas na
Sa
kahoy,
mataas na
Lipa.
kahoy, Lipa, Batangas. So, shout out sa mga Batangueño dyan. Hello.
Sarap po yung pagkain.
Sobrang sarap, grabe. Lalo na yung favorite ko dito yung menudo.
Mm.
Ikaw na favorite na handa mo?
Yung ano, kare-kare.
Con, yung favorite ko.
Tsaka ketchup.
Ayun, sino ba nag-prepare nun?
Yung more con in order lang, pero yung ibang food, si mama, gumising siya ng 4 a.m. para magluto.
Oh.
So yesterday, kagabi, prepare na niya yung parang nilagay nila mga, anong tawag doon, mga seasoning.
Hmm.
Tapos yun, gumising siya na maaga para lutuin.
Kaya napagod si mama.
Di pa rin siya
Energetic pa
Dami
din.
energy. Nice, sige. Wala naman. This is Sponty Podcast. So meaning spontaneous lang, out of nowhere. We just decided to actually record this and just record what are we talking about dito sa bahay nila. So, yeah, ano bang pwede nating topic? Siguro,
Anything.
anything under the sun. No? So, sige, siguro pwede natin gawin, branding. Let's talk about branding. Kasi,
Mga,
very, ano ngayon, very important. I mean, medyo may mga nag-trend ngayon regarding the topic of branding. Especially in the scope of businesses right now. Kung gaano ba ka-importante yung branding ng isang business. Importante nga ba ang branding? Kailangan nga ba siya? Does it actually add up to the sales or revenue ng isang business? Di ba? So, alamin natin yan. Well, let's try to actually brainstorm lang, not brain dump kung ano naman yung pag-usapan na natin. So, siguro, let's start with, ano nga yung branding for you? Ano ba yung pag sinabing branding? Logo ba yan? Colors ba yan? Can you define branding in a uh,
yeah.
more defined way?
Oo. Siguro based sa mga resources na consume ko is ang ganda ng sinabi ni I think it's Jeff Bezos. Sabi niya is branding daw what people says about you when you're not in the room. Ibig sabihin, yun yung true self nila. Yun yung totoong feedback nila about you. And parang recently lang pakinggan ko kay Alex Hermosi. Ay, sige po mama. Salamat po. Uy, may pasok.
Fresh salad brought to you by Tita. Ayun, no? Thank you, Tita. Ay,
Ay, grabe. Pasaw-saw nga pre. Thank you, Tia Lenteng. Guys, kain tayo.
baka mo.
Hindi mo. Oo nga, lega. Ito na lang. Patong na lang natin.
ASMR, masarap ba?
Sorry.
Narinig ba?
Sarap rin. Panalo.
Narinig ko yung mabungaya ka.
Sorry.
ASMR. Sige, going back.
Ayun, yung from Alex Hormozi narinig ko recently. Parang ang notion niya about branding is all about the association nung isang brand or nung isang product or nung isang service about kunwari kung ano yung ginagawa mo, kung ano yung business mo, kung ano yung product mo, kung ano yung service mo, and core values. So yun, I think for me, it sums up na in a very simple way from Jeff Bezos is branding is what people says about you when you're not in the room. So for me, ang translation is hindi naman in a bad way na parang pinagchichismisan ka. It's actually their honest feedback kung ano yung naging experience nila sa'yo. So branding is a very big or very broad na umbrella. Maraming nasa loob na. May brand identity design, may brand strategy, and under the design, marami. Meron kang mga packaging, meron kang mga social media, meron kang website, everything that it touches. And then from the brand strategy naman, and I can siguro differentiate in two things. Is the strategy is actually parang yung blueprint mo or plan to execute. And then pag na-execute mo na yon, that's your brand design. And then from brand design, yung mga core values mo, yan, dyan lahat naka-anchor for your own brand. So, ang ganda nung na-enlighten ni Alex Hormozi na it's just about the association. Ano yung gusto mong i-associate sa market mo? Na parang, do you want them to make you see or feel like you're happy? Do you want them to make you see or feel? Thank you. Na mukha kang professional, di
Yeah.
ba? And some will say na, uy, mukha kang, ganda naman nitong si Nara Love. Uy, shout out kay Nara Love, di ba?
Sheesh.
It looks trustworthy. Yan, di ba? Trustworthy on the Web3 or Web3 space. Good. Sama ka. Thank you po, Mama. So, yun.
Thank you po.
I hope medyo merong meaning yung ending na mention.
So, from what I can, parang, based from what you have said, ang
Mm.
pagkakaintindi ko ngayon ng branding na sinabi mo is relevant to personal branding eh.
Mm.
Right? Kasi you're talking about a person. How are we perceived as a person
Mm.
by other people?
Yeah.
So, yun parang yung sinasabi mo kanina, di ba? So, yun parang based from what have Jeff Bezos said
Mm.
and even
Alex Hormozy.
Hormozy himself.
Mm.
So, when it comes to the actual meaning of branding, siguro ito, basahin ko na lang.
Sure.
So, sabi dito, branding is the process of creating a unique identity for a product, service, or business.
Mm.
It's about shaping how people perceive your brand and what comes to mind when they hear its name.
Mm.
Branding encompasses everything from a company's logo and visual design to its mission statement, customer service experience, and overall reputation.
Mm.
So it makes sense, no? Kasi definitely branding is pwede siyang for business, for personal brand, no? Personal identity, or even for a product.
Yeah.
So, yeah, siguro, bigay siguro tayo ng mga examples of brand identities that actually make sense
Mm.
ng mga sikat. So, para mas maintindihan lang ng tao na hindi lang siya basta logo.
Yeah.
No, branding is that when we say branding, it's not just a logo.
Mm.
It's a overall reputation of a product, of a person, of a business.
Yeah.
So, can you share some, examples na sa
Yung recently lang, yung pinag-usapan natin kagabi, di ba? Parang yung nag-come up tayo sa RC and Coca-Cola. So, let's move on to a product no, soft drinks yan. So, parang I have this thought na, sige nga, let's say, yan, merong big event o fiesta, di ba, soft drink. Let's say wala ng Coke. Ano yung bibilhin? Kung ang available lang doon, sabihin natin si RC or sabihin natin na si Pepsi. And this is based on the parang doon sa ginawang campaign ng RC, right? Na is it to ignite? Is it yes or no para doon sa mga market nila? So, I think that's a great example na when it comes to product, paano sila magi-stand out? Paano sila makikilala ng market nila? Paano sila ma-associate sa market nila? And at the end, paano sila yung pipiliin? Diba?
Yeah, so parang for example, kung soft drinks, 'di ba unang-una pumapasok sa isip natin, Coke, Coca-Cola product,
Mhm.
'di ba? Talagang top of the mind. Pag sinabing toothpaste,
Colgate.
Colgate. Pag sinabing diaper,
Pampers.
Pampers. Pag sinabing Rain. Pag sinabing makeup, anong top of the mind pag makeup? Pag for girls.
Tulad mo?
Makeup? Sephora? Sephora?
Or
Or mga MAC?
ayun, so yun, mga ganon. I don't know ba. Para we have that top of the mind na mga products. O pag
Mm.
sinabi naman natin fast food chains. Ang top of the mind mo pag fast food chain.
McDo.
Donald's.
Jollibee,
Oo.
Pinoy, mga inasal.
Oy, mga inasal.
So yung mga ganon, no? So meron talaga tayong top of mind when it comes to brands, no? And it's not just mga inasal na logo or Jollibee because of Chicken Joy, but it's more of a deeper branding, right?
Yeah. Ayun yung pinaka para sa akin as someone who does brand identity design or logo.
Yeah.
Yun yung pinaka-interesting para sa akin when it comes to brand or branding, kung ano man tawag. Kasi, have you ever imagined or have you ever encountered a brand or a product na walang logo or wala man any wordmark na pagkakakilanlan?
Wala pa.
Di ba? Even yung I don't know kung narinig niyo na yung brand na no brand, parang Korean yata siya.
Still a brand.
It's still a brand.
Yeah.
Pinosisyon na lang nila. So parang sa akin is, you have to create an entity. Like, hindi naman empty. It's like an entity na dun mo lahat ilalagay kung ano yung gusto mong i-associate ng isang tao. So let's say, yun nga, kung soda, di ba? And some of the very genius and creative mind ng mga nag-create ng product na yan, hindi naman nila agad na hit